ABC analysis is a dash. Option A, system of financial planning. Option B, technique of financial planning. Option C, technique of inventory control. Option D, technique of profit determination. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ABC analysis is a technique of inventory control. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following method of inventory valuation proceeds on the assumption that a minimum quantity of stock must be held at all the time to carry on business? Option A FIFO, option B specific identification, option C latest purchase price, option D base stock. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी बेस स्टॉक. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द गिवन क्वेश्चन. The rate of consumption of raw material is an important factor in determining their dash. Option A minimum level, option B reorder level, option C maximum level, option D all of these. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी all of these. Stock valuation is done at the latest price under the dash. Option A market price method, option B simple average method, option C FIFO method, option D LIFO method. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन A market price method. Stock valuation is done at the latest price under the market price method. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following method of inventory valuation is recognized in accounting standard 2? Option A LIFO, option B FIFO, option C simple average method, option D all of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर अगर आपको मालूम है आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी FIFO, फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. Inventory is valued at dash. Option A cost price, option B market price, option C A or B whichever is less, option D A or B whichever is higher. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन C यानी cost price या market price whichever is less. Option C is the correct answer. What is depreciation? Option A enhancement of value of assets, option B damage of assets over time period, option C diminution in the value of assets due to wear and tear, option D all of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी diminution in the value of assets due to wear and tear. Option C is the correct answer for the given question. Depreciation is charged on dash. Option A fixed assets, option B current assets, option C both fixed assets and current assets, option D goodwill. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है depreciation is charged on fixed assets. Option A is the correct answer. Identify the assets generally assumed not to be depreciate. Option A plant, option B building, option C land, option D furniture. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर मालूम है तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी लैंड, क्योंकि लैंड डेप्रिसिएट नहीं होता, वो एप्रिशिएट ही होता है, उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ती ही है हमेशा. ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. The term depreciation in accounting means dash. Option A physical deterioration of a fixed asset. Option B fall in market value of an asset. Option C allocation of the cost of fixed assets over its useful life. Option D making a provision for the replacement of an asset. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर अगर आपको मालूम है तो आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. एक हिसाब से लग रहा है कि सारे ऑप्शन ही सही हैं, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर जो है वो है ऑप्शन सी. The term depreciation in accounting means allocation of the cost of fixed assets over its useful life. Option C is the correct answer. In annuity method, the interest is dash. Option A debited every year. Option B credited to the assets. Option C either debited or credited to the assets. Option D none of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है in annuity method the interest is debited every year. Option A is the correct answer for the given question. Under the annuity method, the amount of depreciation is dash. Option A increasing every year. Option B decreasing every year. Option C fixed for all years. Option D fluctuating from year to year. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है under the annuity method, the amount of depreciation is fixed for all years. Option C is the correct answer for the given question. The revaluation method of depreciation is generally used in the case of dash. Option A land and building. Option B stocks. Option C loose tools. Option D plant. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है the revaluation method of depreciation is generally used in the case of Loose tools. Option C is the correct answer. The term depletion is used in relation to dash. Option A, fixed assets. Option B, current assets. Option C, wasting assets. Option D, intangible assets. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है the term depletion is used in relation to wasting assets. Option C is the correct answer. Obsolescence of a fixed asset would indicate a decline in its owing to dash. Option A, wear and tear. Option B, fall in the market price. Option C, invention and innovation. Option D, all of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है obsolescence of a fixed asset. Obsolescence मतलब outdated होता है, ठीक है. Obsolescence of a fixed assets would indicate a decline in its owing to inventions and innovations. Option C is the correct answer. When the depreciation fund method is used, any profit or loss on the sale of investment will be transferred to dash. Option A, asset account. Option B, profit and loss account. Option C, depreciation fund account. Option D, none of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है when the depreciation fund method is used, any profit or loss on the sale of investment will be transferred to depreciation fund account. Option C is the correct answer. Under the diminishing balance method, the amount of depreciation is calculated on dash. Option A, the written down value of the asset. Option B, the market value of the asset. Option C, the original cost of the asset. Option D, the expected realizable value of the asset. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है under the diminishing balance method, the amount of depreciation is calculated on the written down value of the asset. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following objectives are achieved by providing depreciation? Option A, to provide fund for replacement of the assets. Option B, to show asset at its reasonable value. Option C, to show correct profit and loss. Option D, all of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ऑप्शन D, all of the above. Option D is the correct answer. Depreciation charges are dash. Option A, cash expense. Option B, financial expense. Option C, non-cash expense. Option D, non-operating expense. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है depreciation charges are a non-cash expense. Option C is the correct answer. Book value means dash. Option A, expected sale price. Option B, current market price if purchased now. Option C, value as shown in books of accounts. Option D, original acquisition price. इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है book value means value as shown in books of accounts. Option C is the correct answer.